Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your vehicle's battery. Next, locate the alternator, which is typically found on the lower front side of the engine. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tensioner tool to relieve the tension on the belt, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Once the belt is free, disconnect all electrical connections attached to the alternator. Finally, remove the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket, allowing you to carefully take out the old unit. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them appropriately. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is firm and secure. Finally, guide the serpentine belt back onto the alternator pulley, using your tensioner tool to ensure it's properly seated and tensioned. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to your vehicle's battery, making sure it's tight and secure. Then, start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, confirming the new alternator is charging correctly. This is a great time to check the description for other deals and to find the link for the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart features and great sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.